Assertions. Representation by the management, explicit and otherwise, that embodied in the financial statement as used by the auditor to consider the different types of potential misstatement that has occurs. Explicit and otherwise, that embodied in the financial statement as used by the auditor to consider the different type of potential misstatement that has occurs. Auditors consider the different type of auditors work to be find the mistakes where in the financial statement what are the mistakes and what explicit or otherwise explicit. So need to find thoroughly without any intended by mind, even though management is representing something. They have assertion that is whatever mistakes, that potential mistake that may occur in the balance sheet, financial statement, balance sheet, profit and profit and loss account, cash flow statement, notes to accounts. So in these things, that should be no mistakes. So we have a assertion, we have a thought that should be no mistake. Then you work through it.